Let's start learning the Zerro Barre basics. As I mentioned, this workout is based on the classical ballet traditions. For that reason, we have to master the essential components of the class. Let's start with the term square. Square means the relationship between the shoulders and the hips placement. And the rule of the square is simply they should be aligned and in parallel to each other. After fixing the square, let us move to the legs. Another critical thing to master is the concept of the cross. You see on the floor the guiding lines to better understand the concept. Usually ballet combinations repeat throughout the entire cross, starting from the front, going to the side, to the back, and last time to the side to complete the cross. The entire cross should be repeated with the right side and the left side separately. Square and cross, learned and fixed. Let's go through our legs positions. Generally, there are 6 basic ballet positions that you have to know. First position, second position, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Distances between the legs in the second and fourth positions should be measured roughly with the size of your foot. And for the upper body, there is 4 basic positions that we're going to use the most. Preparation, first position, second position, and third. There you go. You just learned the basic positions and body placement. Now let's study the main movements and musicality.